Alright, so in my must-have bag I have quite a few things. Since we need to consume 300 calories from carbohydrates every hour, that adds up to like 1,500 calories since it's a 5-hour ride. So I based all my choosings on that. Well, first we have to start out with just a bottle of water, but after watching the videos I saw that a lot of the cyclists were getting must-have bags with water and a bottle of electrolyte drink. So I chose a bottle of electrolyte drink from Scratch Labs, and that's going to give you about 82 calories from carbohydrates per bottle, which is just about the right amount that we need considering all the other food that we have going. So we have a bottle of water and a bottle of electrolyte drink. Next we have just a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This is about 182 calories from carbohydrates, and it's pretty easy to consume, and it seems like a lot of cyclists choose this to take with them to eat either before an event or during. So it's a good source of carbohydrates and it's pretty easy to eat. Then we have just a power bar. I didn't have a real one, so I made it on paper. A power bar, energy bar basically, and each one has about 200 calories from carbohydrates, which is a lot considering that you need 300 per hour. So this will last you for about like 40 minutes, so you can eat one and you're good for the next 40 minutes of the ride. They have a lot of different flavors. This one's apple cinnamon because I made it on green paper, and I think I'd pack 2 of these to equal 400 calories, so that we equal the 1,500 later. So 2 of these, doesn't matter what flavor, they're almost always going to be 200 calories from carbohydrates. Next we have these power gels that are made by the same company as the power bar. These are to be consumed during, so they make products that are that you can consume before or after, but these are for during, and they're just gels, like the normal gels that you just squeeze in your mouth and swallow. They're very easy to eat. Some people say that they cause a little bit of gastrointestinal distress, but if you're a cyclist that's consumed these a lot, then that really shouldn't be a problem. Also, they have these in a bunch of different flavors. This one's Kona Punch, and each of these has 112 calories from carbs. So I would pack about 6 of these. You do more or less if you're worried, but I would do 6 of these, and that would equal about 672 calories from carbs altogether. So that's pretty good. It's a lot. So you would just consume 3 every hour or 1 every 20 minutes to stay safe. And then the last thing I have packed, which may seem a little unconventional, is a bag of Skittles. So since we're relying on simple carbohydrates, those are sugars that are easy to break down, and you can use them for quick energy very quickly, as opposed to the complex carbs, which are starches. So each package of Skittles has 51.5 grams of carbs, so that adds up to over 200 calories from carbs, which is quite a big amount for just a pack of candy. You'd be good for almost an hour, about 40 minutes, just the same as the power bar, but maybe some people don't like the texture of the power bar, so they'd rather go with the pack of Skittles. Alternatively, you could use a pack of Starburst, which has just about the same amount of carbs. Some people might find it easier to chew. It just depends on the person and how easy they find it to digest or eat stuff while they're in the middle of cycling, which is kind of difficult if you ask me. So if you add all that stuff together, you get just about over 1,500 calories from carbs. If you think you need more, add another gel, or you might get your bottle of electrolyte water replenished during your race or something like that. So that all will add up to a very well-fueled race. Thank you.